The powerful performance of the Komatsu PC450 excavator makes it the top choice for heavy engineering projects. With only about 300 hours of operation, it is in an almost automatic, new mechanical condition. This machine is equipped with a large capacity bucket suitable for high-capacity operations. It can be adjusted in size to ensure stability, and it is also equipped with an efficient and energy-saving engine. Perfect lie combining productivity and economy. Its sturdy structure ensures durability. Most importantly, we offer a fast delivery service, allowing this outstanding machine to be quickly delivered to your construction site. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance project efficiency.